Dear students of Standard 7, welcome back to your math class. This is Muhammad Arif Sharkar. Now I am going to start my second class on chapter 8. In my first class there is a homework, and this is the homework. You have to find this draw this figure and find those angles, and find also some of the left interior angles and right interior angles. Thanks to all of you for your great response. Now I am going to show one of your solution today. Look at the figure. This is the one of your solution. These angles. Here you can see that these two angles, this pair equal, and we also know that this pair are corresponding angles. This pair also corresponding angles. This pair also corresponding angles. This pair also corresponding angles. So in case of parallel lines, if AB and CD are parallels, therefore we get a conclusion: corresponding angles are equal. If AB and CD are parallel lines, then corresponding angles are equal. Also, these angles are alternate angles. These angles are alternate angles. These angles alternate angles. These two also alternate angles. So, also in case of parallel lines, alternate angles are equal. If these two lines, if lines are parallel, therefore corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal. And sum of left interior angle 180 degree. Left interior angle 70 plus 110 equal to 180 degree. Also sum of right interior angle. Also sum of right interior angle 180 degree. This is the basic of this chapter. Now I'm going to start exercise. Now open your book at page 139. Exercise 8. Question 1. In the figure, angle PQR equal to 55 degrees. So this is 55 degree, and LRN is a right angle. So this is 90 degree. PQ parallel to MR. PQ and PQ, this line PQ parallel to this line AMR. This line parallel, and this QL is their transversal. So this angle and this angle are corresponding angles, and in case of parallel line we know corresponding angles are equal. So this is 55 degrees, so this is also 55, and this total angle is 90 degree. If this part is 55, then up. Now question 2. In the figure, if PQ parallel to SR, PQ parallel to SR, and PQ equal to pair, PQ equal to pair, so this triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle, and we know in isosceles triangle base angle are equal. Base angle are equal. If these two sides are equal, then they are opposite angles. Opposite angle of this side is this, opposite angle of this side is this. These two also equal. That means base angle of isosceles triangle are equal. Given PRQ. This is equal to 50 degree. So obviously this is also equal to 50 degree because base angle of assist angle are equal. What is the value of LRS? That means given RS is parallel to PQ, so these two are corresponding angles, so it is also 50 degree because corresponding angles are equal in case of parallel line. So result is the value of LRS equal to 50 degree. Now look at the figure. Given AB, CD and EF are parallel. Here AB, CD and EF, these three lines are parallel. Question 1. Which of the following is the value of angle X? Look at the figure. CD and EF are parallel here. CD and EF parallel, and angle X and angle 32 are corresponding angles. So in case of parallel line, we know corresponding angles are equal. So the value of angle X is equal to 32. The value of angle X is equal to 32 because 32 and X are corresponding angles here. Now question 2. Which one of the following is the value of Z, angle Z? Look at the figure. This is Z and this is 32. Total angle 180 degree because 32 and Z are supplementary here. So this angle is 32, then other angle is obviously 148 because 32 and Z are supplementary. Their sum is 180 degree. So if one is 32, then other obviously 148 because their sum is 180 degree. Clear now? I hope it is. Which one of the following is the value of Y minus Z? We get from 2 the value of Z equal to 148. Now we have to find the value of Y. Here the value of Z. Now we have to find the value of Y, then subtracting those we get the result. Look at the figure. Here this angle is equal to 45 degrees, so this is also 45 degree because they are vertically opposite angle. So this is also 45 degree. This is 45. This is 45 degree. And these two are right interior angles. This angle and these angles are right interior angles, and we know sum of right interior angles is 180 degree. So obviously this is 135 because this sum of these two 180 degree because they are right interior angles, and we know right interior angles are supplementary. Right interior angle, sum of right interior angles is 180 degree. So this is 135 and this is Y, and total angle is, we know total angle is 360. Total angle 360. So this is 135. So Y plus 135 equal to 360. Therefore Y equal to 360 minus 135. Then you get 5 2 2. So value of y is 225 and value of z. Now you have to find the value of y minus z. So value of y is 225 and value of z is 148. Subtracting 148. Subtracting these two, we get the result. Result is 77 maybe. 7. Now answer to the question now 4 to 5 in light of the figure. Here the figure. PEA equal to how much degree? PEA, angle PEA, that means this angle. This angle equal to how much degree? Very easy question, because here 50 and this angle PEA are supplementary. This angle and this angle are supplementary to each other. So this is 50, so obviously this is 130. So result is 130. What is the value of angle EFD? EFD. Very easy. I hope you can solve this, because these two angles are alternate angles here, and this is 50 degrees, so obviously this is 50 degrees, this is also 50 degrees. So this is the value of angle EFD equal to 50 degree. If in triangle ABC, sum of these two, we know sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So sum of two angles is 90 degrees. So obviously other angle is 90 degrees. Because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So here sum of two angles is 90 degrees. So obviously other angle will be 90 degrees. What is mean by this sign? This is congruent sign. This is congruent. Congruent mean সর্বসম, সবকিছুই সমান যখন হবে তখন সেই সাইনটাকে বলা হবে congruent sign. Answer to the question now 8 and 9 in light of the following information. Here is the information. Angle X. Here 105 and X are supplementary angles. These two angles are supplementary, so this is 105, so obviously this is 75. So value of X is 75, because they are supplementary, and some supplementary angles are 180 degree. So this is 105, so obviously if the value of X is 75. Now we have to find the value of X and Y. This angle is Y. Value of X we get from 1, value of X we get from 8, value of X 75. This is 75, so this is also 75, because they are vertically opposite angles. 75, this is also 75, because X and this angle are vertically opposite angle. And this is 55. This is 55. 55 and 75 and Y equal to, you know, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this is 75 and this is 55. Sum of these two equal to 75 plus 55. Sum of these two equal to 130. So other angle, the value of y is obviously 50 degree, because we know sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So these two, sum of these two is 130. Sum of these two is 130. So obviously the value of y is 50 degree. We have to find the value of x plus y. We have to find the value of x plus y. So value of y is 50 and value of x is 75. So value of x plus y equal to 50 plus 75, then we get 125. I hope all MCQs are clear now. If any questions, write on your own group. Thank you.